welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Chelsea. It's been a long time I did a vlog, like a month or so. So welcome to a weekend in my life. We're doing a weekend vlog. Today's Saturday, is around 9:35 a.m. I'm going to the gym with a friend, and then I have a packed, not really a packed day, just like a couple of things to do. So the gym, some cleaning, which is not gonna take long. Then today is the Ghanaian-Canadian Saskatoon Association's Christmas party. Whoa, that was long. It's this evening, so we'll go for that too. Then tomorrow, church. I took the whole of this week off because I've been working so much and I've been tired, so I needed to rest. So I've rested enough. I've watched movies, I've relaxed, re-energized for the coming year. So yes, spend a day with me. Right now, let's go to the gym and then let's see how the rest of the day goes. That's it. That's all.
Just sitting and eating cereal, you know? Yeah.
Hey guys, I'm finally at the gym with Ernest. He said he doesn't want to come in my video because he will seal me. So I'm going to show his back. I'm going to train him. I'm his personal trainer now. So I'm training him and then he's teaching me how to drive. So I'll catch you all later, okay? I'll show you a snippet of the exercises I'm going to do today, okay? This is Ernest. I'll show you guys in a year when I've transformed him. Hey. Nah, Biba. I'm not doing me three.
Oh, we cry man found one boat.
And another
110, and then a point and call 109.4. And then put median or
oh,
power.
no. And let me show you.
And then median or power.
We can.
So just imagine.
Guys, so we are done with the gym and I'm going to do a little bit of driving because I need more practice. So I'm in the front wheels. Wish me luck.
So light, bro.
Let me show you. Oh, I failed to update you when I got back from the gym and then from the driving. I slept so much. I just woke up. I've slept for about almost 4 hours. I just woke up and I'm heading to the Ghana party. I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. Since it's Ghana, I have to wear Ghana. So let me just show you and let's head out. Just want to spend it. You know, these people, I know they're going to do Ghana man time. So it has already started. It's supposed to start at 6. But I'm dead sure, so now 6:15ish. I should be there by 6:45. I'm sure when I get there, the place might be empty because they follow Ghana man time. But let me show you my outfits. So this is what I'm wearing. This red top and these jeans. They didn't say it was a dinner, so I don't have to dress like a dinner wear or something. I think it might be casual. They didn't see the dress code. Maybe they did, but I didn't see. But this is what I'm wearing anyway. The waist is big, but I'm gonna leave it like that. It's a new style. And I'll wear just a kick or something, a shoe, and that'll be it. I don't think I'm even gonna take a bag. It's just like 15 minutes walk from where I am. So I'm gonna walk. It's just around the Saskatoon College Drive. So yeah, when I get there, I'll show you what's going on and everything, okay? Hey guys, so I'm finally here. This is the Saskatoon Hilda. That's where the event is happening. I don't know if you guys can see the red roofing. That's where USAS has their graduation. So that's where I'll be having my graduation next year, hopefully. So yeah, let's see what's going on inside. Hey guys, so I'm finally here. Let me show you the inside. So the program has started. It's past 8 past, so it's Ghanaian time, and I'm in charge of payments. I'm the secretary.
And me, not admin.
And Hilda. But we're gonna go and see what's happening inside. So my videographer. Oh yeah.
Spirit of love and unity. Let us remember the true meaning of Christmas. It's not just about the gift or the freedom, but the love in our hearts. It's not just
Yeah, right. Yeah. Where? I'm taking a baby. Hi guys, meet my school daughter Hilda. Say hi, Chelsea squad. I say hi Chelsea squad. Hi Chelsea squad. Hi Chelsea squad. Hello, this is Santa. African Santa, right? Hello Santa.
Hey guys, so this is what I'm having as a volunteer. And this is what my friend is having.
hello, hey, please, we need 6 each. So the rest of you just can, that's it.
Oh, they are. So
Now is the time for the household. The kids, you're going to get a present from Santa. Santa get a present ready for the kids. Now is the time for the household.
Carolata, my heart beats for you alone. In your eyes, my soul finds its home. Your smile, it lights up the darkest nights. Carolata, you're the one that makes my heart take flight. Oh, Carolata, you're the one I desire. With you, my heart is on fire. I'm lost in your love, it's like a dream. Oh, Carolata, you're the one that makes me scream. Carolata, Carolata, my beautiful one. Hey guys, so this is the end of the party. This is Hilda again. I'm going home with Ernest. He's going to drop me home.
Hi, Ernest.
So I'll see you guys tomorrow because it's a weekend vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at church. Bye. We love you. Wow.
Hey guys, welcome to Sunday of the vlog. I'm in church right now. I'm going to show you the inside. Once I close, I have an interview with Hilda, so watch out for that video. And then yeah, let's see how the day goes. So I'm home from church. This is going to be the end of my weekend. I'm about to do the interview at home with Hilda, so watch out for that interview. It's gonna be a lot. She has a lot to say, so watch out for that. And if you've watched up until this end, I want to thank you for watching. I'll come your way same time next week with another video.